Hi, my name's Dr. Christina Rahm. I'm going to talk today about Xoted. It's a support powder and it's part of the Clean Spirits line. Clean Spirits is a line that helps people with their health, emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, and psychologically. We can't claim to fix or cure everything, but our goal is to get to the root of the issue and help people be the best they can be. So many times, scientists and doctors focus just on the physical. As a scientist that's worked in the lab and developed many products, I knew it was important to create a line that would help people, whether they had emotional, mental, spiritual, or even addictive personalities. We all suffer from things. We don't need to feel guilty about it. This product has a lot of ingredients that other places have used, but I used my nanobiotechnology background to create a bioavailable formula that could go into the system and really support getting rid of the things the body doesn't need. You see, the issue is once something goes into your body that's toxic, whether it's a virus or fungus or bacteria or parasites or alcohol or other substances like tobacco or different drugs, your body doesn't handle it well. It's hard to get it out. Also, this clogs up your neurotransmission and it also impacts your overall health. Sometimes even food or just pollution and walking outside can do that to your system too. This product is to make you feel the best you can feel. Without guaranteeing anything, our goal is to really support what you have in your body that should be there and get rid of what shouldn't be there. I worked on it for years before I actually brought this product out. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope it really helps your mental and physical and spiritual stability.